you need to wrap around the helmet. You can do so as well. And then you could be safe being seen in a low-level situation anywhere imaginable. Have fun with your bike light. If you have a Johorse bike light, right? And if it breaks like so, it's a clip that goes inside. What we're going to do is open it up and show you the teardown of this and using Gorilla White to repair it. And you have to make a decision if you want to have it on an angle now or this way. You can contact the company for a replacement part to take off and snap back on. But that's the only way we could repair it. I'm most sure we could glue a little bit of plastic on to snap back into place, or put a washer in here, and this way it could fit in there. But we're going to make sure it stays on there permanently in one direction so we could put it up or down. So let's open this bad boy up, see what type of screws we need. We got this nice screwdriver kit to do the job. We have a number 0 Phillips cross that fits into the 3 of the screws. And it should take you no more than a couple of seconds to unscrew all 3 and put away. If it doesn't magnetize, the unit has a little magnet in here, and just gotta look for it. It's in there somewhere right there on this side by the little plastic thing. So we're gonna open this up, show you what it looks like inside, what you get. Well, there's the circuitry board. We're gonna plug this in, shut the light off, and show you it lit up. If you can see over here and how it's lit up right there, that's the light indicator of charge. It shines onto the USB. There you go. Now it's going to be quite difficult to, glue this thing on. Maybe I'll try it on this part over here. Just glue it on one side and lock it down. Do is close this back up. And you can see the size of the battery in there, 300 milliamp. And do my best to put this back in order. So let's make sure everything fits there in its spot, doesn't move around. Looks good. Now we need to put this in there. So loosen it up a little. Slide the door cover back on. And put the screws back in. There are 3. And secure it down. Not super tight, tight enough that they grab. Let the tool do its job. That's it. So now what we're going to do instead, we're going to heat up the hot glue gun. Here's a hot glue gun. Got a stick in it. Then take the glue gun and just work some glue in there. Let it do its magic. Let it melt. If it don't go, just give it a little push. There we go. Get some glue in there. Get some glue on here. Nice dab of glue. And make sure you do it the way you want, 90 degrees. Well, rather than 5 hours later, It's a half an hour later. And there you go. All repaired. The glue's dry. Just peel it off, clean it up, close the door, able to turn the unit on, and have a great day. And that's how you repair your Johorse bike LED light for the next time you need to use it. Have a great day, everybody.